Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening System Settings and confirming your Apple ID. Click the Apple menu, choose System Settings. This central pane controls your device name. Once done, make sure you're signed in. Airdrop ties to your Mac identity. If you're on an older Mac OS, open System Preferences instead. The steps are the same concept. Keep the Mac awake and on Wi-Fi so name changes propagate to other devices. Now move to the Device Name field to edit the visible Airdrop label. You're now editing the Mac name that Airdrop advertises. In System Settings, go to General, then About, and click the current name to type a new one. Use a clear, short name so recipients recognize your machine. Avoid unusual symbols because some devices may not display them correctly. After typing, press Return to save. Changes apply immediately to local services like Airdrop and Bonjour, so you should see the new name in nearby devices within seconds. If not, sign out and back into Apple ID. Finally, verify the update by opening Finder and selecting Airdrop. The new name should appear. If it doesn't, toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to force a discovery refresh, because Airdrop uses both for visibility. Once you've toggled, check again. Make sure your Mac isn't in Do Not Disturb and visibility is set appropriately. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID or restart the Mac to clear cached network names. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most propagation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.